Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. I'm Sade. If you're new here, hello, hi and welcome. And if you're not, then you already know what time it is. Come shopping with me in Home Bargains. I'm not intending to buy anything, but Home Bargains is one of those shops, very much like B&M and Home Sense, where they tell you what you need. I don't know if anything's new or not because I haven't necessarily been here in a while, but I will show you what I think is worth showing you. Before we get into this video, please do kindly give me a thumbs up on the video. Even if you're watching on the TV, you can do it that way. Leave me a comment and subscribe if you haven't already. 80% of you watch my videos and you're not subscribed for what reason, I don't know. Subscribe so you never miss a video, and if you hit the notification bell, you will always get notified when I upload, so you can come virtual shopping with me. Anyway, with all of that said and done, let's get inside and go shopping. Okay, let me set the scene because this video is about to be so random. As I said, Home Bargains is one of those shops that tells you what you need. So I'm about to be looking like I'm darting around the place and showing the most random things. But honestly, when I come to these stores, I'm like a kid in a candy shop. I'm like, oh my God, what's this? What's this? It's shiny, it's sparkly. Everything distracts me. So I hope that you're here for the journey. Strap in, it's going to be a bumpy ride. Random item exhibit A, these tower fans. They're not aesthetically pleasing, but they are practical, and trying to sleep in British humid heat is a myth if you don't have a fan. So I thought I'd share these because they're a really good price. And speaking of the British summer, us Brits are going to try and catch a tan even if it's 15 degrees outside. If the sun's there, we're there. So these sun lounges at £30 were a steal. These foldable tables are great for hosting. I actually bought one for DIYs a couple of months ago and I paid nearly double the price, so this is great. They also have a really good barbecue section. They had portable, instant and normal barbecues, as well as loads of barbecue and accessories, and even things like patio heaters, which is perfect because in this UK it can still get cold in the summer, so this is a great way to keep your guests warm and keep the party going if you're hosting.
Days keep flagging, but that's on me. I'm so sick of wasting time.
So I didn't realise this, but Home Bargains are really in their bag when it comes to makeup and beauty accessories. They have makeup brushes, makeup storage, makeup suitcases. They even have these ring lights which look really good quality, perfect for an aspiring makeup artist or TikToker that you might know. All I kept thinking was these would be perfect little gifts or even stocking fillers. I know it's only June, why am I thinking about Christmas already? But look at them, look at the prices. You could absolutely fill a stocking with the stuff here, and it's really good quality too.
Find it hard to breathe when you're standing next to me. I cannot say enough.
When I tell you Home Bargains has one of the best cleaning supply aisles I've ever seen, I was shooketh. I was just in awe at all the cleaning stuff. I mean, I didn't need any because I've just done my cleaning shop, but best believe I'm going to be going back because look at this. Look at the range. Look at the diversity we have here with our cleaning supplies. I just, you know me, I just wanted to buy it all. I think next time I need a good bulk of cleaning supplies, I'm going to come to Home Bargains, pick up some bits that we've never tried before, test them all out in a cleaning video, and I'll review them all and let you know if they're really worth it or not.
A couple quarters on my eyes, can you see now? And I feel just fine. 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 Days keep flying, but that's on me. I'm so sick of wasting time. Can't you see I'm on the line? I'll keep trying to find my wits, and when I don't, I never coming down.
There are also Swan branded items here. So we've got a garment steamer, which I have one of these and they're great. And also a cordless iron. Never heard of that. Amazing. And they were half price. Also, they had some really good storage options, so I'm going to come back and do a proper little haul of this because I really want to organise our wardrobes under our bed properly. I've already got vacuum storage bags, but these were a really great price. But look how much stuff they've got, and this was like half of it. I didn't even film it properly. They also have really cute little crafty bits, again perfect for little gifts. And they also have a whole aisle dedicated to celebrations like getting married, being a bridesmaid, being a bride, gender reveals, birthdays, and all that good stuff. There's really cute stuff down there.
You start the fire, trying to find what you like.
One thing I must say is that I am definitely more into the B&M kitchenware. I feel like their stuff is a little bit more chic and trendy. Home Bargains is a little bit more practical, and they do have a few pieces that caught my eye, but I would just say B&M is the place to go if you want really nice kitchenware.
I crave your touch, but we don't need to rush. There's something about you, immersed inside my mind. Maybe it's a sign, 'cause it's alright.
Now, one thing that Home Bargains is getting right is this whole rattan furniture trend, especially with the black accents. I know we've seen it done before, everywhere has it. It's kind of still trending, I would say. Definitely would look gorgeous in a home as long as you don't overdo it. I was really impressed actually, and I would pick up a few pieces from here to do room transformations in the future. And they also had a really good selection of artificial flowers, and from here on the video gets really good. I feel like I really enjoyed the rest of the pieces in the shop.
Lose track of time. Oh, and there's side. We got nothing to hide. Wanna see your skin on mine.
There's something about you. You know I crave your touch, but we don't need to rush. There's something about you. I know it's hard to find.
They had a very small wallpaper section, but the stuff was good quality. I'm definitely considering using this in a future makeover. They actually had a wallpaper very similar to the one in my dining room that everyone always asks about. This is the one that was very, very similar. And it looked like it was thick, and it was a really good price. £6 for a full roll. Bargain. They also had a pretty modest DIY section. I would definitely say you could grab some bits from here if you've got some home improvements to do. And I was impressed to see they even had DIY workwear. So I've definitely invested in some pieces like this purely because I'm always DIYing. I don't want to ruin my usual clothes. So it's good to know that Home Bargains have some really good quality pieces at a really affordable price. Now, this is my favourite part of the video, the garden section of Home Bargains. This is the reason I actually came. One of my lovely subscribers commented on one of my latest videos and said you need to go to Home Bargains and check out their garden section. When I tell you, I know I'm sounding really dramatic, but I was in awe at the plants that were here. I actually spotted a guy who I think is employed to look after them, purely to look after them, because look at these plants. There's not one dead head to be seen. They're all blooming beautifully, and they were all colourful and big and bright and fluffy, if that's what you can call plants. But look at the quality. They were amazing, and look at the price. I couldn't get over it. I'm just in shock. If you have a Home Bargains near you with a garden world and you're doing a garden makeover, please drop by and pick up some bits from here first before you go anywhere else, because look at the quality. I can't stop saying it. We've already done our garden makeover this year, but I'm definitely going to pop back here and grab some nice big plants to fill out some pots and planters around the rest of the garden, just to add some more colour and life. You can't go wrong with plants. Honestly, you actually can't have too many. So shout out to that lovely subscriber for sharing that with us. I know I keep saying it, but I was just in love with everything. These planters were giving me life. I was seriously obsessed with them, and I was just looking at all of the nooks and crannies to see how I could remake these. Think we're going to do a DIY, but if you're not a DIY girl, look at the prices. They're so affordable. I got so much inspiration from the garden centre and from Home Bargains, to the point where I overstayed my welcome in the car park, got myself a £100 car parking ticket. So if you don't mind liking this video, it would make it all worth it. Okay guys, that is it for today's video. That was Home Bargains. Before you go, please thumbs up the video. It really helps push my video to other people that want to watch it, helps me grow, helps me do more things like this for you guys. Subscribe and leave me a comment if you're feeling cheeky. Let me know where you want me to go next. So far I've done Home Bargains, Home Sense, IKEA. There's loads more homeware stores we can go to, so let me know where you would like me to go and I will take that drive and do that for you. Thank you so much for watching as always. I will see you in the next one. Take care of yourselves. Love you lots. Bye. Mwah.